friends, in this video we will study degradation of soil. Degradation of soil is caused by erosion. Erosion is carrying away of topsoil by natural agents such as wind and flowing water. Erosion happens when the soil is not binded. Causes of soil erosion. First is deforestation, second is overgrazing, and third is leaving cropland bare. Degradation of soil is also caused by pollution. Excessive use of pesticides lead to soil pollution. Rainwater seeps down with pollutant from garbages dumped on the soil. Waste from hospitals. Non-biodegradable wastes from industries gets accumulated on the crops grown on the soil. Degradation of soil is also caused by the loss of fertility due to bad farming. Adding large amount of chemical fertilizers to the soil, the fertilizers left unused by the crops can damage the composition of the soil. Conservation of soil. First is afforestation. Afforestation means the planting of large areas with trees which checks soil erosion. Terracing. The system of cutting steps into slopes is called terracing. Terracing is also called terrace farming. Contour plowing. Plowing along contour or lines joining points of equal elevation is called contour plowing. Gullies. Deep channels carved by soil erosion is called gullies. Gullies cannot be smoothed out by plowing. Gullies makes the land unfit for cultivation. Hence, gullies need to be plugged by building rock dams across gullies. Mulching. The process of covering plowed soil or soil left bare after a harvest is known as mulching. Dried vegetation, straw and discarded parts of the harvested crop are used as mulch. Mulch means substance used to cover bare soil. Strip cropping. Growing different crops in alternate rows is called strip cropping. Strip cropping is a type of intercropping. For example, a close growing crop and a crop that leaves quite a lot of ground exposed are grown together in alternate strip. Shelter belts. Rows of trees reduce erosion by breaking the force of raindrops and checking the speed of rain. Crop rotation. Crops requiring different nutrients are grown in succession to regain the nutrients lost in early season. It preserves soil fertility. Salinization. Accumulation of salts in the surface soil is called salinization. Salinization is caused due to poor drainage. The irrigation water that is not drained away from the fields evaporates and the salt are left on the surface of the soil. Accumulation over time can make the soil unfit for cultivation. Degradation of water. Surface water and ground are getting depleted because we are using up water faster than nature can replace it. Pollution of water is caused by domestic wastes, industrial wastes, and untreated sewage, etc. Mineral oils from spills and dissolved salts also pollutes water. In cropped areas, surface runoff and water seeping through soil often carry polluting chemical fertilizers and pesticides into water resources. Conservation of water. The problem of water depletion can be partly solved by checking the wastage of water, reusing waste water if possible, storing water for the dry season, diverting surplus water from wet regions to dry regions. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater for future use is called rainwater harvesting. Water can be collected by digging pits or tanks, building embankments around a low-lying area. A part of collected water seeps into the soil, replenishing groundwater reserves. Roof rainwater can also be leaked by pipes to collection tanks on the ground. Water pollution can be controlled by treating industrial and domestic wastes before dumping them into water bodies. Natural pesticides and fertilizers should be used. Non-biodegradable pollutants which accumulates into the bodies of organisms causing various health problems can be removed from water only by distillation. Boiling kills most disease-causing organisms in water. Treating with chlorine also disinfects water. Water hyacinth and some other water plants filter out toxic substances like lead compounds from industrial wastes. Water containing salts of calcium, magnesium and iron are unfit for industrial use as it damages machinery, unfit for cooking and washing. Such water should be suitably treated before use.